want the blanket
Hey
off?
guys, my name's Liza and welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some more Besom Simulator. I'm with Ethan and his dog. Look at his little dog.
It's so cute.
Look.
And I'm...
Max is
Am
his
I
name.
even in your server?
Say hello to Max. Yeah, you are.
Maxie's cute.
And there's Ethan down there. So, anyways, I'll just turn the face cam off. But you'll see Max, he's adorable. So we're going to be playing some more Besom Simulator and I'm going to get the cobalt guard today finally.
Damn it.
What?
I have to
Don't
get
say
50s.
that language around your doggy.
Damn it, he's fine. If it's anything like... You know how you said the other word for poo is not a swear word? But we can't say that in front of him.
Okay.
Your video got... We look at your video, it got determined... No.
Demonetized.
Yeah. Me? Determined. It got determined.
Yes, it got determined, Ethan.
It got determined.
Oh, I can do the tunnel beer. I'm doing tunnel beer now.
I need to kill scorpions. Why did I get the strawberry thing when I wanted to get the other thing?
I'm just gonna kill the tunnel beer.
Because I need to kill 50 of them and I've only killed 6 now.
Okay, and I can just look over and
Out of
see
50.
what you're doing.
And I need to kill King Beetle, so I go kill him. Because he's a monster.
King Beetle's a monster. Isn't he, Max?
Are you okay, Maxie? You're puffin'.
Puffin?
No, I ain't. Puffin? England is my...
I heard puffin. Did you say puffin or poppin?
Puffing.
Oh. I can
What are
now
you
get
doing,
to
Max?
the cobalt guard, Ethan, because I got one.
I think he's trying to give my blanket-ish, like, wash. He normally gives himself a wash, and now
He's giving the blanket a wash.
I think he's trying to give himself a wash. Or he just wants to make it that his own. Be like, this is mine now. You don't need it, Ethan.
Ethan, so I got an enzymes from Tunnel Bear, and I'm already crafting 3 of them, so now I've got the
I need enzymes.
cobalt guard.
Oh, no.
Kill the Tunnel Bear.
No, I accidentally ran straight into him. I was like,
8
I won't go
minutes.
into you. Run straight into him.
Still 8 minutes.
Oh, yes. I want to see if I got any enzymes.
I'm gonna do this.
Did I get enzymes? Why am I checking that?
No. Oh, a glue. I got a glue.
2. Oh,
Is that?
oh nothing's super good from him. My King Beetle.
And that.
But that's
Okay, so I got from the memory match. Oh, I could have gotten a star jelly from the one in the sprinkler shop.
Yeah, I could have done that too, but I didn't.
I got 1 glue, 3 royal jellies, and 25 blueberries.
When will my crafting be finished? I want.
What?
I was wondering when my crafting would be finished.
Okay, mine's in 8 minutes.
I think. Did I get my? I think I killed my
Don't know
tunnel
why
bee
I'm doing
yesterday.
this. Don't know why I'm doing this. I don't want to die
Yeah.
through the coconut crab.
I got my tunnel bee yesterday, so I can't get him yet.
Oh, I checked this morning and it said 3 hours, and now it's ready. Well, it's dead now, but. So in 8 minutes I can
Are you
finally
King
get the
Beetle's
cobalt
lair?
guard. Huh?
I King Beetle's layer.
I'm in the ear.
Well, before.
No, I was going up to see if I could do the extreme memory match, but I couldn't. And I was about to die from the coconut crab.
I need 1 more glue.
1 more. I just got 1 glue. What is it for?
Oh, honey belt guard.
Oh, the
I'm getting the
honey
crafting.
honeycomb belt. It's pretty good. And it gives more storage space. I can actually get more storage space. Which is nice. Wait, I just got it this morning. Why would he be here? 16 hours.
Yes. I got 2 field dice, 2
Oh, you could have gotten oil.
tickets, and I got 2 raw jellies, 3 raw jellies, 3 tickets, and 2 field dice.
That's good. Oh, I got an enzymes from the from the
Oh, I got
spider.
an oil from the werewolf.
Ethan, I got a enzymes from the spider. So if I stop, wait, why is there just a random red jelly bean in the strawberry field? I think it's just a bug, like a glitch. But if I stop my crafting, because I think it'll be at 2 out of 3 now. I just got a 1, so I only need 2, so I can save some of my stuff. Finally. Do you want to come over and see it? Oh, not 18 seconds. Blue cheese.
Honey stone.
By Blue Cheese.
Let me get in the field.
Do you want to come to the cobalt area?
Yeah, just let me get my tree dispenser.
Yep.
Getting the honey stone done.
And 2. So I got back 10 royal jellies and 50 pineapples. I have finally got enough, guys.
For the cobalt?
Yep, for cobalt. Says craft item. So it'll give me plus 250,000 capacity, plus 50% blue pollen, plus 10% blue bomb pollen, plus 3 blue bee attack, plus 10 defense, plus 100% critical power, and the passive is haste pulsar.
Oh, that's a passive?
Yep. And same with the red one, crimson. It has focus pulsar.
What is haste?
Haste.
Haste.
So basically, when I've got a certain amount of haste tokens, my thing zaps blue stuff from all the blue bees and collects massive amounts of pollen.
Oh yeah, you told me that.
So 3, 2, 1. Shit, did I... I stopped recording. Wait. Wait, no, I didn't. I did not.
No!
I did not. What? Ow.
You said the SH word in front of Maxie.
Oh, I did, yeah.
Maxie,
Why
don't listen to him.
My recording thing disappeared when I checked it, and I thought it... Oh. Sorry, Max. Oh, his nose is dribbling
Turn
a
it
little
off,
bit.
I think he's trying to sleep. Turn off the light.
Oh, yeah.
No, he's sleeping with the light on.
Okay, the light's turned off now. I think I just woke him up. Yeah, so,
It's okay, Max. Do you want some pets?
So, Ethan, are you ready for me to buy it? In 3. Oh, I stopped well, I didn't stop recording, but, like, it just disappears. Now it's all the way up there. Ah. Okay, in 3, 2, 1... Craft item!
Oh, I've already seen it on your
So I saw the honey mouse before you. And look, it leaves a trail of blue and white. So, if I go up here... Oh, and you killed my wall. So, every 30 haste token releases a blue pulse, which hops to each blue bee, collecting pollen around them. Power increases with each hop. And it's at 2 right now, out of 30. So I've now... Oh, and I've got more space. I've nearly got 6 million.
I nearly have 4. No, I really don't. I'm joking.
How much?
Yeah, 3.4.
I've got
Now.
5.9.
It sucks.
What sucks?
You can't be like, if you get 8 of these, you can get like 9. Okay?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're doing the 21? I'll do the 21 as well.
Oh.
What did you get?
15 sunflower seeds and a wool jelly.
At least you got something. At least you didn't spend honey on nothing.
I am going to feed my stuff to bees apart from my pineapple. I remembered. Oh yeah, I'm at the
Oil!
end.
I could get an oil.
Make honey.
Is that... No. Is this it? Oh, oil! I got an oil.
Okay.
That's literally all I got from the tiny one. One oil. From the tiny one. So I don't really want to try the power of information. I think I'll work on pleasant pastimes. Which means I'll grind in a field that you can't even access.
No.
So I won't see you. But I'll come back to you when my ability's about to go off. Because I'm going to go to the pepper patch.
What are you doing, Max? Let me feed all my strawberries to Carpenter Bee.
Oh.
Max, I'm not going to give them to Carpenter Bee.
Why not, Ethan?
Because I'm trying to get level 9s and I'm getting my vicious to level 9.
Okay.
What level is your vicious?
Level 8. But I haven't been trying. I'm trying for my level 9 to go to a level 10. Remember?
Yeah. Cancel. Max,
Wait, I need to put my
Roblox.
I need to put my
I
sprinklers
can't
down.
pets forever.
Yes, you can, Ethan. Just do
You
it.
need to go to sleep.
Do it your whole life.
Big Thomas. Making me feel big, Max.
Good. He wants you to feel bad.
Oh, stop trying to give my bees. Stop.
That's the first time I actually saw it. All the other times I wasn't looking, but...
Can't be playing around on technology at your age.
How old is he?
Too bad for you. 80 something. In the human year. No,
Yeah.
non-human years, but dog years.
Yeah. In human years, how old is he?
Like 9, 10, 8.
Okay. I've only gotten up to 12 out of 30.
Can you stop, Max? Can you sleep? Can you be a good boy?
Pick a number between... Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Next.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, plus 16.
16.
So you don't want to see the thing go off. I was going to do it in a certain field, and you chose 16, which is the pepper patch, which is where I'm at right now. Pick a number between 1 and 16.
14.
Mountaintop, okay. You want it to go off from the mountaintop.
And I'll be going to Bamboo Boogie between the bamboo black bear.
Okay. At least I've finally gotten that cobalt guard.
Anything good?
Finally.
No.
Oh, okay, I need to use a microconverter.
Oh. Did I give you a flight, Max? I'll give you some pets for it. Max doesn't like super loud noises.
Calm him down.
Oh, Max, it's okay. It's okay, buddy.
He just wants to see me. Don't you, Max? Okay. Or I can get another tabby love.
Wait, did I run out of royal jellies?
You might have.
Yeah, I've only got 5. I need 20.
Oh. I have... I wish I could give you some because I've got 73. Oh, I'm just realising how... Kayla's here.
Who's Kayla?
That person that wants me to use her account.
She must have joined you.
Yeah, says your friend Kayla has joined the thing. Hi. I want to see actually how good she is.
Oh, really?
Oh, I'm privately chatting with her now. Actually, she's sort of decent.
Maybe.
Yes, I can. This is how good she is.
When I hit the amount of babies when you live.
Or it'd be more of a noob, like, for example, this hive right here.
You would send that to me when I was pregnant.
Do you want anything in return? I can ask my mum to get your Robux. Okay, thanks. Robux sounds good.
People are like, what's your password? Actually, for either emotion.
You just have to join my group. Robin sounds good. Yep, Robin.
I want Robux. My name's Boy.
Robux. Well, you're not the one helping her. You're not the one helping her at all.
I'd help her. What have you done to her?
Okay, leave the game. Oh, I'm just gonna stop the recording for a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I've got her password and stuff now, so that's all sorted.
And it is unknown to me.
Yeah, obviously. Wait, I'm not on your server.
It's because you're bullying me.
I'm with Big Boss.
I'm with Big Cheese and Mr. Zummy.
Blue cheese.
Yes. There's a guy that was called Big Cheese.
Oh, well, the one that I saw was blue cheese.
Yeah, he's still here too.
Okay.
But Big Cheese left.
Big blue cheese.
Oh, is he? No, Blue Cheese isn't here.
Oh.
Enver Boy.
Okay, I'm here now.
Dogger Boy, the real Mr. Banana, Cat Milk, and Mr. Zombie.
And me. So, just resume the video as normal.
Me realises I was me trying to reset myself. Me leave.
You always do, well, not always, but like for the past couple times I've seen you try and reset. You're like, leave.
I think your server's full.
Nope, it's not.
Huh.
Your friend Boy has joined the game.
Okay, sounds good, Robin. Robux?
Okay, thanks. Robin sounds good. I mean, Robux sounds good.
Is her name Robin?
No. I typed Robux and it auto-corrected it to Robin. I meant, okay, thanks, Robux sounds good. But I was like, Robin sounds good.
Oh, where are you going to eat, Robin? See?
I'm recording. So,
I don't hear what those Christians have to say.
I'm gonna go to the mountaintop soon. If you want to go there now.
Oh, it's fine. I'll do it with myself when I hit the guards.
Oh, so you're not gonna watch?
No.
Oh. Well, then I'll just end the video. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna show you the ability for this, and then I'm gonna play some Pet Simulator 2 with Ethan. Literally one more.
Work.
What?
I fell.
Oh, it's not good. Come on, I just need one more. Give me a haste token, Hasty Bee. I don't even know if I have a Hasty Bee.
Last night I ended up getting pet teamwork.
Yeah, you told me that.
Strong pets. And drop home.
And zip, 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 zip. Yes.
It
actually went up quite a lot.
I almost have more diamonds.
Okay. So this is the flash, Ethan. Did you see it? Flash.
Max bed. He's trying to get through here, but you were like, no. Max bed. Max bed. Good boy.
Okay guys, so I'm going to end this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button as hard as you can, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.